Welcome, today I am with XIAOMI Poco F3 and I'm going to make the fingerprint sensor test. We are going to check how fast it works. On this smartphone, the fingerprint sensor you can find right here. It's linked with power key and I link this finger. So let's try and make few tries. Let's remove this option with sliding after unlocking. Let's touch. There's this one. Let's try that again. Okay, unfortunately in this smartphone we cannot remove this option. We have to swipe after unlocking. But in most smartphones you can take it off. But as you can see right now it just unlocks, so okay, interesting. Okay, never mind. Right now it works, as you can see. I don't know, maybe it was some kind of debug. But as you can see, this sensor is really fast. I think this is even one of the most fastest sensor I have ever used. Last time I used the OnePlus 9 Pro and the Xiaomi Mi 11. And I can say that this sensor works the same like in the OnePlus 9 Pro or even faster. I just put finger and it unlocks immediately. So as you can see, for sure we can say that this sensor is reliable because it recognizes my fingerprint every time and it works really fast. So that's a really good device for that biometric settings. That's all. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.